we're moving. The time has come and we are moving out. I've been living in this apartment for the last 3 years, and I've been living in this area, Western Massachusetts, for 5 years. And I've lived in Massachusetts my whole life, and we're moving out of state. So this is a big move for me, but I'm really excited. Let's see what the state of my apartment is. Today is Sunday, July 16th, and I'm moving on the 29th, just under 2 weeks. Okay, we've been in process. That's my coffee table. I need to get rid of it. But this is what the bedroom is looking like. I already pared down the closet quite a bit. Coming into the living room, the couch is gone. No more couch. And then my little spare room. Let's see. Still pretty messy. I need to sell this desk and just pack up a bunch of stuff in here, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay, into the kitchen. It's Friday, July 28th, and as you can see, I have a giant pile of stuff that hopefully we're gonna be able to fit for the move, but the dump truck is on its way to get rid of my mattress and box springs because my mattress is old as fuck and I don't really have anything else I can do with it. So let's assess the situation. I'm just gonna sleep on the floor tonight, and then I'm getting rid of this. We're gonna try to bring the TV. Hopefully it fits all my stuff. It's moving day. Saturday the 29th, 7:37 in the morning. We did end up having to rent a truck because it was just gonna be too much stuff to try and fit in the cars, but I'm kind of glad we did because now we don't really have to worry about if everything's gonna fit. We know we have plenty of room, so it's a little bit less stressful there. As you can see, it's very empty. Trash bin still clearing out the fridge here. Let's take a look. Apartment tour, empty. Still got the ACs blasting because it's hot as balls. This is, let's see, all my crap. This room's basically empty. And no more mattress. That's where I slept last night. It was not the most comfortable sleeping arrangement, but I slept okay. I did wake up a few times in the night, but I got at least 6 hours, so that's good. Yeah. Mirror. Boom. Closet empty except for the hangers. We're gonna probably just throw those in a bag. We're gonna load this shit up as fast as we can and get on the road because we got a nice long 6-hour drive ahead. Tomorrow we're gonna move everything in. So it's been a process. It has been a very stressful month, very stressful last couple days, but I am just so excited to finally be moving. Move is done. Everything is gone. Empty. And I am obviously drenched in sweat. So let's get on the road. The kitchen is so... It's my new kitchen. I have a dishwasher now. My freezer has an ice maker, and I have a washer and dryer, and yeah, I feel like I'm just living in total luxury now. I have some of my stuff put away, like my kitchen stuff, obviously, because I gotta be cooking. Now we're gonna go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna go to like a Walmart or a Target. I need to get a shower curtain and dish soap and, you know, random apartment stuff. Look at how beautiful this kitchen is. There is so much space here. I have, this is my supplement cabinet. There is so much space, pantry right here. Like, I'm never gonna fill this up. It's kind of dark, can't really see. And also this one, like those shelves up there, they're so high up. This is me looking at the shelves. I feel so gross. I really just want to shower, but I still have some more things to do. The fridge is mostly stocked. Yes, sadly, this is a mostly stocked fridge for me, and my freezer. Bodybuilding. Essentials, squash, bell pepper, cuke, avocado. Boom. At this point, I'm honestly not even sure where I left off on the vlog. This has just been a whole hectic process, but yesterday went to a secondhand furniture store in a warehouse. Massive. I'm gonna insert some clips here. Find anything I was looking for there. Today I'm going to Ikea with my mama. This is the fit. I have my third and final leg day of the week today, so we're gonna go over to Exile. We're gonna hit that lift. I'm packing my post-workout meal to bring with me. Thankfully they have a fridge there, so I can keep it cool during my workout because it's fish. Les fish, les rice, les zucchini, les lemon. Look at that. Okay, we are all packed up and ready to go. Bringing the wheelie cart, of course. Okay, we're on the way to Ikea. Say hi, Mom. Eating
here we go.
In the car, my little meal. I definitely overcooked this fish, so it's a little bit chewy. But yeah, feels good to be done with my workout. So let's go buy some furniture. Ikea. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Ooh, Ikea, you betcha.
What a lovely little kitchen. Oh, the lighting section. This is what I've been waiting for. Hey, excuse me, I'm trying to flex. Let's see the legs, Mom. just don't want to injure it. Being gentle. Okay. Yes.
As long as the scan code is on an end, you'll be fine.
Ikea haul. Not including the furniture. We'll get to that. We got this for my sink to put my dishes on. And then I got 2 of these Scub. They're just organizational little boxes to put in my dresser once I build it. I got a strainer because I don't have one. Not that I even really need it, but it's just good to have, I guess. We got cups, 6 glass cups. This was 10 bucks. Yeah. Pretty standard. Gonna run those through the dishwasher. Enjoi. We got this cute little cup for my toothbrush and toothpaste. This is not from Ikea, but my dad got me a rice cooker as a housewarming gift, a little housewarming present. So that's nice. That's pretty much it, aside from the furniture. So we're gonna build this bookshelf right now because I wanna build it right now. I have a screwdriver. I have these really tiny screwdrivers. We're gonna make it work because I